Speaking of the Supreme Court, following the court's decision to overturn Roe v. Wade, demand for emergency contraception is soaring. It has led to some national retailers to limit the number of, quote, morning after pills that consumers can purchase at once to avoid a shortage. NBC News reporter Alicia Fieldstadt joins us now. Alicia, it's great to see you this afternoon. First, tell us which retailers are actually limiting the purchases of the morning after pill and how many can people buy?
Hi, Morgan. Thanks for having me. So far, Amazon, CVS, and Rite Aid have announced limits on pills like Plan B to 3 per customer. Walmart, meanwhile, said limits on products sold on the Superstore's website can change during times of fluctuating demand. It's unclear how long the limits will be in place. CVS said they have ample supply of the pills, but put the limit in place to ensure equitable access. Rite Aid simply said it implemented the limit due to increased demand. So as long as demand remains at the level it is now, it looks like these companies will be limiting how many of the pills customers can buy.
And give us a sense, how long do we expect these limits to be in place? And also for our viewers, how is the morning after pill different from abortion pills? Are they at risk of becoming unavailable in states where abortion is or will even become illegal?
Right. So these limits will be in place as long as people are buying them in bulk, as they are after Friday's decision. Morning after pills are meant to be taken within 72 hours after unprotected sex. The drug prevents the release of an egg or prevents sperm from fertilizing an egg, preventing pregnancy. The sooner the drug is taken, the more effective it is. Abortion pills, on the other hand, end a pregnancy, and they can be effective up to 10 weeks into pregnancy. Morning after pills can be purchased over the counter and with no ID, while abortion pills require a prescription. On your question of morning after pills becoming unavailable, Friday's Supreme Court decision did not directly limit contraception. However, in Justice Thomas's concurring opinion to the overturning of Roe, he wrote that Griswold v. Connecticut, the 1965 decision that protected contraception access, should be revisited. So it's not out of the question that contraceptives could be a future target of the court.
All right, a lot to unpack there. Alicia Fieldstadt. Alicia, thank you.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.